this is Lani. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and I am going to show you today just an unboxing video with the Haunted House online exclusive that at this time is currently unavailable. Today is October 9th, 2024. So it's supposed to come back soon, I think November, so it will be after Halloween. But at least we're gonna go through an unboxing and I'll eventually show pretty much what I've put together. I'm gonna try to do it a little different than the instructions, but I haven't even checked it out yet. So let's go ahead and see what's inside. Okay, here we are, and I've got my kids with me here today. So I'm gonna open the box and take the whole thing out. So we have some room here. This is the Haunted Home Kit number 164-136. All right. So here's what it looks like. See, even the dog's getting involved. All right, this here. Oh, that's cool. There's a little skull. I think, oh, that's from the front door. That's cute. So there's the instructions. Let's see what we've got in here. Right here. All right, so here we've got some die cut trees. Those are pretty neat. There's our little ghost shell. Woo! That's a little cute. All right, so we've got the trees. Looks like we've got the fence here. It's nice and thick. It's gonna be really neat when it's put together. Oh, here's some more ghosts and a spider web and vellum. Ooh, friend. Okay, so these are the yellow. Looks like the windows. There's a chandelier, and this is also in vellum. It looks a little brighter on that side. We've got some pumpkin, looks like door shutters or window shutters. There's our front door. Also die cut. They're little pumpkins. Oh, I see a kitty cat. And there's the kitty cat. And we've got a bone over here and a spider with the roof. That's gonna be nifty. Now we've got some cardboard. Pretty thick cardboard for the rest of the house. Ooh, that's cool.
It's like a werewolf scratched in it.
Yeah, look at that. That's cool. Well, yeah, let's keep the little pieces. You never know, we might need those. This can make little elements. There's some more of the house. Oh, and then the rest of it. Here we go.
Oh, werewolf scratches.
Yeah. Alright. Oh, it looks like that's more of the roof with more werewolf scratches. And maybe the sides of the house. I like that. The werewolf scratch looks neat. And we've got our black dimensionals so that we don't see very much of the white. That'll be cool. All right, so that is the unboxing of the Haunted House. So we've got lots of cute little elements. And I look forward to putting this together. All right, thank you for watching. Thank you for joining me tonight. Have a good evening, and thank you for watching.
Bye.
Bye.